Emma and Tim have slipped away to Asia for some fun in the sun and were given a Privileges card as a special gift by their travel company. They can use it to find popular restaurants and cafes and to enjoy rewarding experiences. Privileges cards can either be physical or digital, but Emma and Tim were given a digital membership for use on their mobile phone. If they had a physical card, they would simply sign the back and visit the Privileges website to find out where to use it. But since their card is digital, they need to press the Join Now button on the website to sign up using the promotional code they were given. Tim and Emma can browse the website for restaurant descriptions and photos, and search by cuisine and suburb, or by map reference. When they want to use their card, they must scroll to the specific restaurant page on their mobile device and press the Display Your Card button. This will generate the digital card for that venue, containing Emma's name, card expiry date, and flashing restaurant name. Emma and Tim must follow the same process each time they visit a restaurant with their digital card. Whether someone has a physical or digital card, they can still use the website to find fantastic places to eat or to check for updates. And all memberships come with a performance guarantee. Happy dining!